Hey everyone, as you may or may not already know, we at Cardo have updated our entire product line to now be able to have a true native Bluetooth intercom pairing with any Sena headset running on Bluetooth 4.1 or higher. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to pair these two headsets for intercom. This is the PackTalk Edge and the Sena 20S Evo. Let's go ahead and turn on the PackTalk. And we'll turn on the 20S Evo. Now the PackTalk is in DMC intercom mode. We want to be in Bluetooth intercom mode, so we'll switch it over.
Bluetooth intercom mode.
Perfect, and now we just go to its normal intercom pairing.
Pairing initiated.
On the 20S Evo, just press and hold the jog dial for its intercom pairing.
Pairing. Intercom pairing.
And then tap it one more time. We'll wait for these to pair. It could take up to 2 minutes. All right, we can see by the double flashing lights that these two are indeed paired with each other. And we can close the intercom from the Sena side. It's now closed. We can open it from the Cardo side. Double flashing lights. Close it from the Cardo side. And, of course, open it from the Sena side. And these two intercoms are paired together. We know that that's been one of the most requested features. And to be able to pick any Cardo that you want, pair it up with your buddy, even though they chose that other unit, it's a big deal. It's your feedback that's the source for these advancements, so keep the feedback coming. We're not done yet, and know that we're committed to making that connection process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.